Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight I'm going to show you how to use a multimeter to check if your air conditioning capacitors are good or bad. And as always, guys, we are dealing with electricity. If you're not comfortable with that, please consult a professional. My air conditioner has two capacitors, one to run the fan, which is this one, and one to run the compressor. So this is the one that went bad. Let me show you how I figured that out. The first thing you want to do before handling a capacitor is to make sure that any potential stored energy is drained out of here. And the way you're going to do that is to short from terminal to terminal. I'm going to use this screwdriver here. It's got a little bit of a rubber covering. And we're going to go right across from terminal to terminal. If there's any energy in here, you might get a pop or a spark. But as we can see here, this one, completely safe. Next thing we want to do is look on the capacitor itself and see what type of reading we're going to be looking for. So 7.5 microfarads plus or negative 5%. Now on my multimeter, the microfarads reading is right next to the resistance. I just want to make sure that I got it right. Okay, so there is ohms. And now it is on microfarads. All right, let's get our probes and see what kind of reading we get here. And nothing is moving. That's how we know this capacitor is not good. All right, going to bring in my spare capacitor for my compressor, and this one has 45 microfarads plus or minus 5%. Move that over. Let's get the probes out and see what we can come up with here. This one should be good. And remember, we're at 45 microfarads, and it is 44.7, so that is well within range. It's a good capacitor. Now, I've seen other people use multimeters that don't have the microfarads reading in it, but I would prefer just to have it in there. These are fairly inexpensive. They're about 20 bucks. If you want to purchase this same model, make sure to check out the link in the description below. So guys, it is really that easy. If you were to call a repair person to come out and all they had to do was replace this capacitor, they might charge you something like $200. This thing probably costs $15. The multimeter, about $20. I always keep spares of these around because these are always blowing in hot weather, but you can totally do this yourself. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. I hope it helps out. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.